upon a time, there lived a poor boy named Sitanggang, who lived with his mother in a small fishing village.
Tanggang, work hard and always remember where you come from.
Mother, one day I will become a successful man.
Sitanggang left his village and worked on a trading ship. Through hard work, he became rich and married a noble woman.
Husband, we are arriving at your hometown. Tanggang, my son!
I don't know this woman. She is not my mother.
The mother's heart was broken.
Oh God, is he truly my son? Show him the truth.
Suddenly, a terrible storm struck the sea. Sitanggang's ship was turned into stone.
Mother, forgive me, mother.
Moral of the story: arrogance and disobedience lead to destruction. Always respect your parents.